Well, in an effort to get outside, I am standing straight. The slope is right here. There's a creek over here. Anyway, I'm gonna hang, probably hang the hammock tonight from here, and then the tree off camera over here. Was looking for a decent place to go, and a buddy of mine said, yeah, come out to the farm, you can camp out here. I can't hear anybody other than planes. Nobody around. It's pretty deep into the woods. Got a creek on this side, a wash on that side. Wasn't real sure about camping right here, but the funny part was I had taken a class out here, and I finally said, you know what, maybe this is the spot. I look around, there's a tree over here, and it's actually got the marker to the compass course or navigation course. So pretty funny. And A334. Anyway, so I'm gonna set up, let y'all see that. I'm actually gonna do a different setup this time. It's not supposed to rain, so I'm gonna do the tarp at a lean-to, but fold it over itself so that if need be, I can bring it back out. I'll let y'all see that and see how I set it up. So stay tuned for all that. need tie-offs. I can tie them off to the tree over here behind me, over there. Same on the other end. I can just bring it out, just bringing a little bit out. I want to keep it kind of open because I want to get some breeze going. 93 out here today. I think right here where I'm at, probably about 89, 88. Nice and nice and toasty, but a little bit of a breeze blowing underneath the shade. Feeling pretty good. Getting ready to cook some chicken, or to be formal, a Cornish game hen. Chicken going. Most of it's on the coals down at the bottom. Water boiling because, well, it's hot and I needed to hydrate. So yes, JT, very much hydration. So much that I had to pull from the creek. So the goal right now is to boil some water. I didn't drink all my water, so I need to get some more. So I went to the creek, picked up some, boiling it up, cooking my chicken so I have some food. Sat down a minute ago, got a little lightheaded, realized, you know what, I haven't eaten since breakfast, and that was at 8:30. So it's going on 6 o'clock. It's actually 5:25 now, so by the time it's done, it'll be about 6 o'clock. And other than I grabbed me a piece of jerky a minute ago, so that will tide me over till then. But that's just the goal for right now. Then I'll sit down and probably just enjoy the evening. Sun's starting to go down, or at least behind the trees to where I can't see it. All the sweet bees are coming out, flies, mosquitoes, bullfrogs, they're all coming out as well. So we'll see how it goes. A lot later than I anticipated. So started cooking it, started pulling it off, and all of a sudden, yeah, no, it wasn't done. So I don't take chances with chickens. Looks good now though. Hot. Mighty tasty, but it's very hot, so let it cool down just a hair. I'm gonna let it rest. Best part about waking up early, seeing the wildlife while I'm still in the hammock. Pretty good. It's the Bridgeford natural style smokehouse sausage sticks. Minimally processed, gluten-free, no MSG, blah, 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 blah. I like them because they taste good. I don't have to cook. Available at your local Winn-Dixie. No, actually available at your local Kroger, so there's that. Try them out. I know there's a worm at the bottom of this one. I'm not eating it. But it was so hot I ran out of water. I had to boil some more. It's all right, creek's right there. Still a little warm. Don't put that on there because it's got plastic and rubber. Speaking of still a little warm. We're going to take a little adventure. We're going to walk around a little bit in a little bit. A little bit in a little bit. Hey guys, if you like these types of videos, drop a note down below. I don't know, maybe you just like the two-tip Tuesdays, or maybe you don't like any of them at all. Let me know. I got to do something, right? Got to change it up, try to fit. Tell me what you like. You know, and I'm not doing nudie girls, so forget that.